repairing fuel pump socket. This is the one I'm about to replace, and this is the damaged one. So sometimes the car won't start because of the bend in it, so it lose contact. So I'm about to replace it with this one, and this is how it looks like inside there. So I want to replace the socket first. So when I diagnosed no start and I found out that this is the issue, so now I'm about to change the socket and replace it with this good one. This is the bad one. So I'm about to do the wiring repair. So this is the heat shrink which has lead in it. So I'm about to join the wires, and this is the heat shrink itself. So I'll join these two together and use the heat shrink. So this is after using the soldering lead, the heat shrink solder. So I fixed the new socket. I'm going to fix it back, tape everything and fix it back. So after using the heat shrink to cover it up, so I'll tape it, I'll place it back and tape it and start the vehicle. So after fixing everything back, now the car is running. So now the car is running. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.